Everyone hates their photos, especially headshots. But after photographing hundreds of clients, when I show them their photos as they just came out of the camera without editing, their reaction was surprising. It was, wow, this is amazing. So I wanted to discover, what did I do right to have this reaction? I will go back in time, showing you each step that I've taken, whether it's a mistake or a right thing. The first thing I discovered was it doesn't start with the headshot. Clients, they need to be relaxed because we want relaxed expression on their faces. I put ambient music, they just relax and shift their focus from they are going to be in front of the camera. Another step helps my client relax. I explain what is going on. I tell them this is the session and it's going to be exactly like this. They just relax the moment they understand what is going on. Both these things lead to a relaxed expression, which is one of the secrets. People come here for a photo that feels like them, showing their real expressions, and that's what we are preparing our clients for. I connect the camera to the laptop, and I also explain to them that they will get the chance to choose their best photo. If they don't like their photos, we could reshoot until they find the one that they love. And for my camera, I use Canon R6 Mark II with the Sigma Art 24-70 lens, which I found is the best for headshots and for photos within the studio, as that would give me some flexibility with zooming in and out without changing my prime lenses. This is the most important element that I found affecting my client reaction, which is lighting. Lighting is the most important element in photography. I have tested many setups for my headshots and portraits until I found the one that not just my clients liked, but even me when I take my headshots, I love. The lighting called the clamshell or Hollywood setup. That setup or the lighting setup creates shadows in places that we wanted and highlights in the places on our faces that we want it to be highlighted. Of course, there are some type of headshots or branding that need a different setup, which I also tested for my clients who wanted something different. Surprisingly, I don't use expensive lighting. I use Goddard V1 speed light, put it in a big umbrella, a softbox, and the softbox with the stand are newer and they're much cheaper, but they do very well. The reason I chose Goddard speed light, at the time I bought these two, I used to do on location when there's an event. As for my reflector, that's newer as well, half circle shape reflector that you put it below the subject. Now you could do all of that and that could be enough. You don't need to add more lighting, but just because I love to add rim light, the light that highlights the hair, and it's also separate the subject from the background. I always take headshot of myself. I have hundreds of them now because I always take a test shot. After photographing hundreds of clients and taking the headshot, I found this amazing feedback of wow, or this is beautiful, is not accidentally happening. It's a repeatable system that I found, and I started to repeat and follow each time. Thanks for watching. See you next time. But until then, keep creating.